This Re/Max distinctive property video is presented by Phillip Gore. This property has had renovation from the studs and joists out. Everything is brand new: plumbing, electrical, HVAC, windows, doors, fixtures, etc. Original hardwoods and some shiplap walls. Top-notch design and materials. 1,664 square feet. Upstairs with decks that look on the water. Very versatile space for offices, medical, SBA, beauty salon, etc. Basement has efficiency 1-bed apartment. For more information, review the details below or contact Phillip Gore at 256 882 2223.